What's up, guys? Jill again with Pit Cartel. Today we're going to be exchanging the passenger window regulator in the vehicle due to it having some issues going up and down. Right in the door handle area, we're going to use a pick. And we're going to slightly use that and pry that door open. Once it's open, remove those two screws. Then lower underneath this handle, look down in here, and then remove another screw. Then we'll head on the edge of the door, remove this knob, and then there'll be another screw right here. You want to go about the bottom of the door and pry the cart lightly. It should come up. You want to work your way up slowly. Make sure you don't crack any of the panels. And then you lift up gently underneath your locking mechanism. Be careful, there's going to be wires behind this you'll need to unplug. Now before you unplug the window switch for this, I recommend turning the vehicle on and making sure the window is rolled down enough to where you can see these pivot points to take the window out. You're going to have a couple things you need to remove. One is going to be at the bottom of the cart. This is going to be the switch or the light bulb. When you open up your door, and you unplug the window button itself and the other mechanism for locking the door. Now when you take that glass out, make sure you take it out at a Dorito method. Dip it in from the front end and then lift it up to the back end. It should come out just like a Dorito. You're gonna take these bolts, 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. All right, so when you get to this point, you're gonna have to take this panel off of the original regulator, pry it off from one side, and then you have to dig into another side that's gonna be down below. Once you got that, you just gotta pull this right on out. Slide that new one in, and then put that panel right back on. Once everything's lined up, let's go ahead and get it back into the vehicle. Regulator first. Then you're gonna put your feet and hands back in. Those 4 screws. All right, once everything's back together, just go ahead and do a test roll. Make sure everything's looking good. Looking good. Thanks for watching, guys.